one good thing about Fenty mascara is they just give you length, the lengthening thing. Hi GC Queens, welcome back again to another GC content. If you are new here, hello, my name is Estelle. Yes, Estelle the GC Queen. So today I have with me the new Fenty collection. She came out recently with two palettes. I got this one, and this is the wine. Where are you? Yes, this is the wine. I got this one. This is how it looks like, and this is number 9, and the other one is the green one. I guess that's number 10, and this is what the inside looks like. Yeah, I can't wait to play with these colors. I don't know if they look, yeah, yes. And she also came out with two mascara, mini mascara. This one is Miss Merlot in the shade looks like burgundy, and the other one is green. So since we are working with this wine palette, I guess this will go together. And I also got the mini of her new this is her lip toner. It's been there, but she came out with the bigger size, so I lay my hands on the mini one. Let's use this one and do testing microphone. So if this is good, we're gonna get the next one. So this is called Underwag. I don't know if I got that right, but Underwag. So I'm going to be playing with them today. So if you're not subscribed, just consider subscribing. If you're looking at me, subscribe. Thank you guys. So let's hop straight into yeah, guys, we are here right now. So I think it's good that I do my foundation with you guys, but I'm going to do a little bit of fast forwarding, but I'll try as much as I can to show you guys everything I'm using. So now we're going into the eyes, and this is how this palette looks once again. And I forgot to tell you guys, it retails for $25. So I don't know what I want to go into, but let the spirit lead. So I'm going to start. They don't have any name on them. I'm going to start with this one right here on my transition area. It's quite pigmented though. Oh, I can say it. Whew. Guys, dab off the excess. This thing is pigmented though. So guys, what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to blend out that shade we use. Just take it a little bit above my transition, just blending it out. That's what I'm doing. So guys, I'm going to take this burgundy shade here, and I'm going to put that on my crease. These shadows, they are very small, but I kind of think they are pigmented, even though I see them very pricey, but I think they are doing the job. So to blend the upper part, I'm going to take this light shade here, and I'm just going to run it on my brow bone. So guys, I'll go in with the P. Louise blank canvas to cut my crease. So guys, this is the best I can do with this cut crease. Jesus. I'm going to go cut this one, cut it out, and I'll be back. So guys, I'm trying to use as much colors as I can, but I'm not sure. I'm going to go into this one here. These two colors, they look, you can't see them, they look exactly like this P. Louise plain. I'll take the second shade. I don't know what to call it. I'm going in with this brown here, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so I'm going to use it to blend out the edge. So I succeeded in using all the colors. Now I'm using this shade we used at the outer part of my eyes. I'm just using it to go above the crease line. I'm not going to do any wing liner. I'm going to use this purple shade here. Blush, I'm going to go into this Fenty blush in the shade Daiquiri Deep. So for highlighter, I'm using this shade right here. I'm using it as my highlighter. So for my under eyes, I'm going to go into this purple shade again. So this is what the mascara looks like. Let's get into this lashes. Ooh. Ooh. Going in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm going to use that to spray my face. So I'm going in with this NYX lip pencil in the shade Urban Cafe. So I'm going to go in with this lipstick. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm going to go change and I'll come back to you guys. So I'm going to apply the mascara on my lower lash line. Alright my queens, we've come to the end of this tutorial / review. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole look. I know I did, like I went extra, but yeah, I'm happy that I used almost all the colors in this palette. And if you want to hear my final thought, just stick around. Let's go one after the other. Let me start with the palette. Palette, where are you? Okay, once more, this is how they look. If you purchase this, you're gonna see them. Yes, so this is how they look. Okay. I'm going to swatch them so you guys can see. So this is the first row. I hope you guys can see it. And then this is the second row. This is how they look. So for the lipstick guys, I love this so much. This is not drying. You don't feel like your lips is tearing apart or being so stiff. No, this is so beautiful. I like this shade so much. It kind of brings out, yeah, like the main color. You know, there are times you just wear lipstick and it leaves you, but this will just make your face, your skin pop. So I don't know how to explain how I feel about it, but I like it. And for the mascara, I love the mascara. It's beautiful. It's not that noticeable, but you kind of look a little bit different. It's so nice for fall. You can even wear the mascara without going, like, if you want something very different, you may just forget about lashes. For me, I still wanted to put lashes because of my eye look. If I had gone very, like, you know, when you want to do a very simple look without lashes, I believe this will give you a little kind of swag. Is that like swag? Yes. I love this mascara, one, because it's kind of a different thing from everything we're seeing. Fenty came through for this. You kind of look different. The eyeshadow is pigmented, the lipstick is sweet, and the mascara is good. One good thing about Fenty mascara is they just give you length, the lengthening thing. All right, my queens, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, just subscribe and hit the bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I do juicy content like this. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and as always, you guys know the drill. Remain blessed and know very well I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for everything, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye.